You look for the Sandstorm, Alex.
I hate you.
The Sandstorm.
I hope that fall off.
So, who requested the song?
I requested Sandstorm.
Welcome to DDR Max 2. Comment loud if you sign.
Damn it, where are my glow sticks?
Yeah, but I'll make it so.
I'm sure if you go play some of the games, you can win some with them.
Love this song.
Alright, send order.
Okay, I swear I'm watching this and the little band of people are playing the song.
They're showing the Little Mermaid. Look, the crap's going along with the beat.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Check out the names and the scores. I completely suck, everybody else kind of sucks, and Alex just all over it.
Alex wins easily. I'm trying to crack a hundo. I've got it though. He's like double stroke.
Because I don't choke like I do.
Oh my god.
We all do.
Korsky and Steve are fusing together to give me powers.
The detonator!
And before you, as a group, took a whole group just do one mediocre score. Just like
Sounds
one.
normal with all
Just like
that
one
song.
mediocre song.
I didn't know there were dogs in the song.
Oh, sorry. It's the DMX remix.
Oh!
My score was going north, but it didn't. What kind of wine is it?
I'm totally recording and you're totally in my shot.
Man, I'll beat that time crisis score, goddammit. That's so low.
And now Alex disappears. Because he's just great at everything. He beats us at bowling, he beats us at time crisis, and now I have to bowl.
Time prices, he's free.